In this tutorial, part 9, I'll show you step by step the full engine start procedure. So let's get started. Beacon on, packs off, APU air off, engine anti-ice on, brake fans off, fuel pumps on, start master select on, start power on confirmed. The start sequence will be 1, 4, 3, 2. Now let's select the engine 1. Engine start. Ignition and starter annunciators come on. At about 10% N2, right click the fuel cutoff switch on the thrust lever of the selected engine. This will move the thrust lever into the idle detent and enable the fuel flow to the engine. At about 20% N2, the ignition will activate, then the EGT start rising. We monitor our EGT for a hot start. It should not reach the red mark. Oil pressure is rising. At 40% N2, starter operating annunciator extinguished. Engine parameters stabilized at idle. Generator 1 select to on. AC meter select to engine 1. Generator AC voltage and frequency in the green band. Start select to engine 4. We repeat the same procedures with the other engines. All engines stabilized at idle, and this completes the engine start procedure. From startup to shutdown, YouTube channel provides you the best tutorials on how to operate airplanes on flight simulator game. If you like this video, subscribe and share to support this channel.